y'all don't see what go on behind the scenes, child. It be a whole disaster. The ghetto. The ghetto. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a DIY wine bar for you, so if you're interested in watching, then stay tuned. I purchased 2 cabinets from my local hardware store. Unfinished is the key to this so that you can paint it any color that you would like. You want to start by priming your cabinets. Trust me, you will save a lot of time if you just go ahead and prime the cabinets first, especially because they're unfinished. Once I was finished with that, I took some cabinet paint in matte black that I got from a local hardware store also. I would definitely say it took me about 3 layers to get it to where I wanted it to be, to where you couldn't see any of the white showing through the black. I repeated those same steps for the other cabinet, and this is how it turned out. I then moved on to make sure that I could locate the studs in the wall where I was going to have the wine bar, because I did plan on making sure that it's anchored and not movable. Once I had everything dry fit to where I wanted it to be, I made sure everything was level from the front of the cabinet to the back of the cabinet. And I did in some places put shims, but I did not record that. Once it was aligned with the stud, I went ahead and screwed it with some cabinet screws into that stud. I made sure the top for the cabinets was in the correct place, and then I repeated that same process for the second cabinet. I chose the stain color Early American, and it wasn't really the color that I was looking for, but it still turned out to be great for my space and my decor. And I'm just using a rag going in the same direction as the wood grain, using a rag to apply that stain and just making sure I wiped it in completely. You want to make sure you do the top and the bottom, which I did not record because it's the same process. You just follow this process, let it dry for a full 24 hours before you apply your finishing coat, your polyurethane. While this is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my hardware, which I just got from my local hardware store. I ended up getting some gold knobs and handles, as you can see right there. And then the next thing I'm doing is just placing some wood glue on the rim of the cabinets so that I can put the top on correctly. And here's the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in watching more content like this, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell notification. Until next time, guys, remember to find the beauty in your ashes. Bye, guys.